Hi digital marketers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are trying to setting up the Google Analytics 4 on Shopify by using Google Tag Manager. If you do not watching our first video, which is how to enable the data layer with Shopify by Google Tag Manager, then I am recommended you first you have to watch the part 1, then go back to part 2, which is how to set up the Google Analytics 4 with Shopify by Google Tag Manager. This is our Shopify partner store and we have to connect the Google Analytics 4 with this store. First we have to create a Google Analytics 4 account and property. So go to the Google Analytics 4, my previous Analytics 4 account. So now I am just creating the property, then create, go to property name. So I am putting the name, the marketplace Shopify reporting zone. You have to select your country or which country visitors you have to track. So I am select my country currency, that will be also according to your business currency. What is your product currency? That is depends on that. Then next, here must be you have to select the categories. So I am just selecting a category, food and drink. Business size, that will be also depends on your business. Employee, I will select the medium. Then next, here Google Analytics 4 giving the some business objectives. What is your business objectives? Then you can select according to your business objectives, generate leads or drive online sales. That depends on your business. Then create. So here we choose the platform, which platform we have to collecting a data. So in my case I select the web. Here you have to put the website address. Obviously that will be the without HTTPS, and stream name, give a stream name, and finally create stream. Here we see the measurement ID. This measurement ID we have to use the Google Tag Manager tag. So copy the measurement ID and back to the Google Tag Manager. That is our Google Tag Manager window. Here we create a tag, new tag, and we are selecting the Google tag and paste the measurement ID in the tag ID sections. Paste it my measurement ID. And configure settings sections, we have a set a parameter that is send page view. These parameters means that you have to give the permission to Google Analytics 4 to visit your all website pages. So here we put the value is true only. Then you have to trigger this tag, that will be the all pages. Then we are almost done. Just put a tag name, that is GA4 tag for all pages. Save it. Now we go to the preview sections, check it out. Our tag is fired or not, and our website data shown in the Google Analytics 4 or not. So go to preview, and that is our Shopify store. Connect it and just scroll it. Page view event is working or not. Back to the Google Tag Assistant. See, GA4 tag for all pages tag is fired. Then we go to the Google Analytics 4. Continue to home. Here see our website visitors already showing here. That is me 1. And if you go to the debug view, that is the data display sections, go to the debug view. Here see we are looking at the visitors come to our website, and this report is shown in Google Analytics 4. So thanks for watching. We are connected our Google Analytics 4 in our Shopify partner store. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.